In the second video today, we're going to, instead of just converting units, we're going to actually convert rates. For example, 2 quarts per minute, that's a rate. You know, how many quarts in 1 minute? We're going to convert that to gallons per second. So there are actually 2 conversions that are going on at once here. So we're going to start with 2 quarts in 1 minute. Now, the 2 conversions that are going on here, we're going to convert quarts to gallons, and we're also going to convert minutes to seconds. And the order in which you make these conversions doesn't make any difference. So I'm going to choose to do quarts to gallons first. And with this capacity that's not on the table, so what we're going to do is there are 4 quarts in 1 gallon. So we are going to convert that, so write that down. There are 4 quarts in 1 gallon. So in order to convert quarts to gallons, again, we want quarts to cancel out. So we're going to put quarts on the bottom, gallons on the top. And there are 4 quarts in 1 gallon. Now, the second piece of this is converting the time. We're now 2 gallons. The second piece is converting the time from minutes to seconds. So in this case, we are going to also convert minutes to seconds. Now, right now, minutes is starting in the denominator. So in order to get the minutes to cancel, we need to put minutes on top, seconds on the bottom. And there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. Okay? Again, whenever you do these conversions, the value on top should be the same as the value on the bottom. So that's how we decide what number goes where. So now to cancel, quarts cancel, and minutes cancel. So the unit we're left with, on top we're left with just gallons, and on the bottom, seconds. Okay? So now we just multiply straight across. We multiply the top numbers. 2 times 1 times 1 is 2 gallons. 1 times 4 times 60 is 240 seconds. So basically this is 2 gallons in 240 seconds, or if we reduce the 2 over 240, it's 1/120th gallon per second. Okay? If you are a decimal person, you can divide that, but be careful of being precise. Okay? What that is equal to, and again, using the repeating bar, 0.0083 repeating gallons per second. So with these, we're doing 2 conversions at once within the same problem. All right, then in I, we're starting off with 75 cents per hour, so that's in 1 hour. So once again, we're going to do 2 conversions. We're going to focus on one at a time. We want to get to dollars per day, so let's convert the cents to dollars first. Now, in order to do this conversion, to get the cents to cancel out, we want to put that in the bottom and dollars on top. And there is 100 cents in $1. Again, these 2 values need to be equal. So $1 is equal to 100 cents. And then we're going to convert the time. Now, in order to get the hours to cancel out, it's starting on the bottom, So we're going to put hours on top, days on the bottom. And there are 24 hours in one day. So now we're left with, when things cancel out, hours cancel out and cents cancel out. So the unit we have left, we're left with dollars on top, days on the bottom. Okay? And so multiplying straight across, we have 75 times 1 times 24, which is 1,800. Plugging that into the calculator. 1 times 100 times 1 is 100. So then performing this division, 100 or 1,800 divided by 100 becomes $18 per day. And that is a conversion. On these rate conversions, you just want to focus on one conversion at a time, like we did in cents to dollars first, and then hours to days second. And that is the last video for today. And this is the last section of the unit. So that means we will have a unit test coming up after the quiz on Wednesday.